Okay, so perimeter, how we calculate perimeter? How we calculate perimeter? I'm audible to all? I'm audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Perimeter of trapezoidal section.
Report in progress.
That is P. P equal to perimeter, that means total flow length. Total flow length value. So P is AB portion, that is 2 by cot theta plus 2 pi by 2 pi theta into 2 plus V. So this value is 2 by cot theta plus 2 by theta plus V. So this is the perimeter length, and by this value we can calculate R equal to A by P. So A is the what? A is the area. Area is calculated, that is R equal to by B plus Y cot theta plus Y theta plus V plus 2y theta plus 2y cot theta. So this is the value of hydraulic mean depth, that is value of R. So on the basis of this we can calculate discharge of channel. Okay, so in order to limit of scoring, the material of the following types we can use, which gives maximum velocity in channel and maximum permissible velocity value is given for different types of material used in line section. So if we use cement concrete lining, if we use cement concrete line section, then limiting velocity used as 2 to 2.5 meter per second. 2 to 2.5 meter per second. If we use burnt clay tiles lining, if we use clay line or tiles lining, then limiting permissible velocity is 1.8 meter. If we use boulder lining, then permissible velocity is assumed 1.5 meter per second. Okay, and what is the freeboard? Freeboard for different types of section. So freeboard for different types of section is generally considered freeboard depth is if section is main canal or branch canal. If main canal or branch canal, if main canal and branch canal, and discharge, if discharge is greater than 10, then freeboard depth is 0.75 meter. 0.75 meter for main canal and branch canal. If main canal, if distributors channel and discharge is less than, if discharge is 5 to 10 meter cube per second, if discharge is 5 to 10 meter cube per second, then freeboard depth is provide 0.6 meter. 0.6 meter means 60 centimeter. Okay, for distributory channel. If minor channel is constructed and discharge is generally 1 to 5. Discharge is generally 1 to 5. Then we can use freeboard as 0.3 for minors. If water course is designed and for discharge less than 1, then in this condition freeboard is give 0.1 to 0.15 meter is 10 to 15 centimeter discharge is for given. Okay, so this value is given in code. Code is IS 10430. Okay, these all value given in code.
वाटर के बाद नीचे में
water course is the last distribution system before the field. Water course is designed for distribution system. So write a question on the basis of design of line channel. Write a question. Question is design a line channel to carry a discharge of 15 cumex and the available accepted slope is 1:9,000. 1:9,000. Consider side to be 1/4 H/1V. Okay, side slope, this side. Okay, and n is 0.0150. So which type of channel we can design for discharge 15 15 cumex? So which type of channel we have to design for economic section? Either triangular, either trapezoidal.
triangular ma'am. Trapezoidal.
Triangular due to discharge is very less. So for low discharge, we design triangular line channel, and triangular line channel is economical for discharge less than 55 cumex. So design triangular section, triangular channel if discharge is given 15 cumex. So first step is the calculate area, calculate flow length, that is perimeter, and then we can find depth, that is y, value of y. So how we calculate? Discharge is given, theta is given, slope is given. So write relation of area and perimeter. Draw a triangular section. This is a triangular section. Here top lining, here FSL. Okay, this portion is the R portion. Okay, we have to find depth, that is this y by this y we have to calculate. Okay, and theta is given, side slope is given. Calculate the area. Write the equation of area. What is area equation? What is the equation of area? Area equal to pi square theta plus cot theta. And what is the perimeter length of flow equation? Length of flow equation is the 2 by theta plus cot theta. Okay. find the tan theta and cot theta. Find the value of tan theta and cot theta. Here side slope is given. From this equation, from this value, this side slope value, we can write tan theta and cot theta. Five by 4 h into 1 v. So if side slope is given 5 by 4 into 1 v, then how we find tan theta and cot theta? How we write?
मैम स्लोप होगा 1.25. मैम y क्या कंसीडर करेंगे? मैम आपका माइक म्यूट है.
Okay, sorry, mute tha. So what is the value of theta? If tan theta is 4 by 5, then cot theta is 5 by 4, then what is the value of theta?
38.66 degree. मैम थीटा का वैल्यू है 38.66.
Okay, this theta value is 38 degree 66 minute. Okay, exact value of theta. Okay, so what is the value of r? R equal to a by y. What is the value of r? R equal to a by y. So area is, we can write in terms of y also. If theta is known, so area we can write by square into what? Cot theta. Cot theta plus theta. So cot theta is 1.25 and theta is in degree is this. Theta is in degree in 38 degrees 66 minutes. So what is the value of theta in radian? What is the value of theta in radian? So calculate the theta in radian. Pi by 180. Calculate the value of theta in radian. That is approximately 0.68. That is approximately 0.68. Okay. So this is the area. Area equal to 1.875 into by square. And what is perimeter? Perimeter equal to P equal to 2 by into theta plus cot theta. Okay. So 2 by into 0.68 plus cot theta 1.25 value, that is 4 by 5. So in terms of y value of p equal to 3.85 y. So r equal to a by y. So a equal to, we can write in terms of y 0.5 y. Okay. So what is the value of q? Q equal to a by v. Q equal to a by v. Okay. So v, what is the equation of v? What is the equation of v? By Manning's equation, 1 by n r to the power 2 by 3 s to the power 1 by 2. Okay. So q is given. What is the value of q? Q is given 15 cubic. Area is calculated in terms of y. Area is calculated in terms of y. So what is area? What is area in terms of y?
मैम आर का वैल्यू एरिया बाय पेरीमीटर होता है ना, तो आप एरिया बाय वाई लिखे हैं मैम, या तो फिर हम कैलकुलेट करके करेंगे तो आर इज इक्वल टू,
This one is r by a by p. This is
यस
a
मैम,
by p. So area is 3 point. What is the value of area? 1.8787 y square. Okay, so put the value of a in terms of y and calculate the value of y. Calculate the value of y. And freeboard. What is the value of freeboard? So freeboard for discharge less than 20. It is given in code is 75 centimeters. So freeboard considered 0.75 meter as per code. Okay, side slope is given. So if y calculated from this equation, freeboard is given, then design is completed. So we can also find total depth. So total depth is a y plus value of y, that is depth of flow plus freeboard depth, that is 75 centimeter. Okay, so calculate the value of y. What is value of y? What is value of y?
And calculate.
Amrit or Jaskar, are you here? Amrit, are you here? Madhusudan Hembrom? Madhusudan,
Yes, ma'am.
have you calculated?
No, ma'am. कल कर रहे हैं.
Y is equal to 2.32 into 10 to the power minus 5. Right?
10 to the power minus 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Check again. इतना लेस नहीं आएगा डेप्थ का वैल्यू. -5 मीटर मीन्स कुछ वैल्यू ही नहीं होगा. Anyone have calculated? Anyone have other value? वैल्यू ऑफ y किसी का भी अभी तक नहीं आया है. So value of y is nearly 2.8 meter. Okay, approximately we can say 3 meter. Okay, so just check again. Check everyone this value is correct or not. And freeboard is given. Freeboard is 0.75 meter as per IS code. So total length is total depth of flow is 2.8 plus 0.75. Okay. So write one more question. Write one more question for higher discharge. For higher discharge means we have to design trapezoidal section. You can try at your own. So write a question. Design a concrete lined channel. Here material is also mentioned concrete. So design a concrete lined channel to carry a discharge. 350 cumex. 350 cumex at a slope of 1/5000. At a slope of 1/5000. So S naught is given 1/5000. Okay. Assume the limiting velocity. V limiting equal to also given, that is 2 meter per second, and side slope is given for channel is taken as 3/2h is to 1v. 3/2h into 1v. Okay. Manning's coefficient is given 0.015. Manning coefficient is given 0.015. Okay. So calculate design for this data, design channel for this data. So discharge is given 350. Discharge is given 350 cumex. Okay. If discharge is higher, then we have to design trapezoidal section. We have to design trapezoidal line section. So for trapezoidal line section, here given wet slope, here given side slope. So side slope is given 3/2h. 3/2h. That means we can find tan theta and cot theta. Okay. We can find tan theta and cot theta also. Okay. So try this question. This is your homework. So we have to find depth of flow. Final result in terms of depth of flow. Okay. So types of lining is also used by different materials. We have already studied either cement lining, either brick lining, either asphalt, either boulder. Okay. Either we can use as compact. Cost is very less. If cost is very less, they can, in that condition we can use soil is in wet compacted condition. Soil is in highly compacted in wet compaction, wet condition. Okay. Also we can use soil cement. Okay. But properties required in lining is material should be impermeable. Okay. And also hydraulic efficient material, and requirement should be economic, resistance to erosion, and a structural stability is more, durability is more. Okay. That condition should be required for lining of canal. So try this question. Try this question and find the depth of flow.